Mo, what helps your physical and mental health?
Eating food and food. Eating.
Evan, what can we do to help our mental health?
Laugh.
Visa, what can we do to help our mental health? Cam, what can we do to help our mental health?
Having mental health. Be around those we love.
Becca, what helps your mental health?
Yeah.
Mo Bean, what helps your mental health?
Getting enough sleep.
Peru, what helps your mental health?
Exercise and push-ups.
Mark, how can we help our mental and physical health?
Share our friends.
Thank you, Mark.
Yes.
Mental health is just as important as physical health. Healthy mind is a healthy body. Things that can improve your mental health are going for a walk outside, being around animal, being on a good diet, having a good night's sleep, and being around animals. Also, if you have any worries, don't keep it to yourself. Talk to somebody. It could affect your health and badly. Some things that could affect your mental health are exams, loss of loved ones, war, news, bullying, online bullying. A couple of things that help me with my mental health are being around animals, listening to music, drawing, being a furry, and watching funny videos of animals.